What is due diligence for on the lawyers? Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes during a merger or acquisition? One of the most important processes is called due diligence. So, what exactly is due diligence for mergers and acquisitions lawyers? Let's break it down. Due diligence is a thorough examination of a target company's assets, liabilities, financial health, and legal compliance. For mergers and acquisitions lawyers, this process is essential. It helps them assess the legal risks and liabilities associated with the target company. This is vital for ensuring that the acquiring company makes an informed decision about the transaction. The primary goal of due diligence is to validate the purchase. Lawyers investigate and analyze everything about the target company. This includes evaluating contracts, leases, intellectual property, and any ongoing litigation. Legal due diligence focuses specifically on the legal status of the target company. Lawyers review corporate records, contracts, and compliance with relevant laws. This helps identify potential legal risks that could affect the deal. The scope of due diligence varies based on the nature of the transaction. Lawyers work closely with other professionals to identify specific areas that need investigation. This collaborative effort ensures that all relevant aspects are covered. Information gathering is a key responsibility for mergers and acquisitions lawyers. They collect and review legal documents such as contracts, corporate records, and litigation history. After gathering this information, they analyze it to identify potential legal risks and liabilities. Once the analysis is complete, lawyers compile a due diligence report. This report outlines their findings and explains how these findings could impact the deal. With this information in hand, lawyers guide their clients in negotiating the terms of the transaction. They draft and review legal documents necessary for the deal, such as purchase agreements and contracts. Mergers and acquisitions lawyers play a central role in the due diligence process. They assess legal risks and draft representations and warranties to protect the buyer. If the buyer is securing a loan, lawyers ensure that covenants are in place. These covenants help ensure the seller's cooperation with the deal's funding. For law students interested in corporate law careers, particularly in mergers and acquisitions, understanding due diligence is essential. It involves developing skills in legal research, analysis, and negotiation. Law students can gain practical experience by participating in moot court competitions or internships with law firms specializing in mergers and acquisitions. This hands-on experience helps prepare them for the complexities of due diligence in real-world transactions. In summary, due diligence is a critical process that mergers and acquisitions lawyers must navigate. It involves a detailed examination of a target company to ensure that the acquiring company makes informed decisions. Understanding this process is key for anyone looking to pursue a career in corporate law.